See the contract, so you get in the car and go. Because we already told you once.
Bro.
Don't bro me.
I'm gonna bro you if you keep harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
You're not harassing me?
My man.
Let me see your badge number. That's a law. Let me
What
see
law?
What law?
On December 30th, 2024, Tampa Police responded to the airport after Avis employees reported a man entering rental vehicles without authorization. This case examines burglary law, probable cause development, and Miranda rights.
What law? Let me show you again. I finally found.
Well, apparently you jumped in a car that you weren't supposed to take. And what did he tell you? What did he ask? Is this the last time we're going to deal with you?
Last time. The woman I just spoke to, that was with the car.
So
Let me talk.
Go ahead, talk.
The woman that just told me to come over here and sign paperwork, that woman that I was like, that you saw, I jumped in a car that wasn't mine. So she was like, here, you go first sign the paperwork here with the contract. And then after I sign the contract, I go in the car that I'm renting. So this is the last time you're dealing with me.
It definitely is going to be the last time.
Yeah.
So what car are you taking?
The Honda Ascent.
From where?
From her station.
From Avis?
From
You got contract?
From Payless.
Are we at Payless?
That's what she said. You want to talk to her now?
I want to see the contract, dude. Because I've had enough of you.
Bro, I've had enough of you.
All right.
The contract with her. I don't need to raise my voice.
So let's see the contract so you get in the car and go. Because we already told you once.
Bro.
Don't bro me.
I'm gonna bro you if you keep harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
You're not harassing me?
My man.
Let me see your badge number. That's a law. Let me
What
see
law?
What law?
Dude, go get the car and let's
Let me see your fucking
go.
badge number.
146.
Thank you.
There's no reason for him to stay. He has no comfort. He has no reservation.
Who saw him in the car?
I do have a reservation. I do have a
Go
reservation.
confirm. She saw him in the car. He doesn't have a reservation.
I think the,
You don't just jump in the cars that aren't yours that you don't have a contract.
You got him?
That's not how it works.
All right, let me go talk to the female.
Well, then you don't have to.
I kind of have to.
No, you kind of don't. You can't go into cars. It's called theft.
If you look at the reservation.
No, but you don't got
then
one.
you-
And she works here. She saw you do
Why
it.
don't I showed it to you? It's
Oh,
on
too
camera.
bad. I've never talked to you before. Go sit him down over there. Pat him down for me, please.
Pat him down. You're a different guy.
Who saw him in the car? Did any of you see him in the car? That white male with the beard hat?
Yeah.
You saw him in the car?
Yeah.
Which car was it?
That's it.
The silver Toyota Camry? Okay.
And he also got in the
But did he drive the Mustang?
no, but this one he did. And that's the one that he first took out of the thing.
Okay.
You saw him in one of your cars. He did not rent it.
Not
He
only
did not
did
have,
I see, but Lydia down there saw too.
but he did not have permission to be in the vehicle
No.
either. Okay. Do they have your information, man? Okay. You do understand what you did, right?
What?
You do understand what you did, right? Sort of sounds like you don't think you did anything wrong.
Sort of sounds like I'm not going to talk to you unless I have a lawyer.
Oh, I don't care.
Good.
It bothers me not at all.
It bothers me that people don't respect the fact that when I show them on my Uber app.
Your Uber app.
Yeah, listen to me.
Your
On
Uber
the
app.
Uber app. Yeah, you can look at it with your phone, 7700. Look at the Uber
The
app.
Uber app. What good is the Uber app
It'll
doing
say
in a
at
rental car
12
center?
a.m. on a Monday morning,
Okay.
I had a reservation with Uber renting, which they do from Payless. So unless you want to look at that phone right now, we can save a lot of time and paperwork and save trees.
Hold on, hold on. You
Now the
see
woman,
it? Do
now the
you see that sign?
Now the woman that I literally got out of the first Mustang,
You know
and
what-
then the Camry.
Do you know what Payless is?
Toyota Camry.
Do you know where
Bro,
do you know where the Payless is?
Toyota Camry. The woman said to come here. She said the first window that I was at. There was the Camry, and in front of it there was the Mustang. I know what cars I went into.
Okay.
And that woman, she looked Cuban woman who said, sir, this is not, first you have to sign the paperwork over by her, the same window you were at. So why don't you get her over here so she can give a testimony?
We got the guy going over there and talking to her too.
Oh, good. Thank you.
I'm not worried about it, bro.
I'm not worried.
Bro.
I'm not worried. Happy New Year's.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Which car exactly did
Oh,
you
I have
witness
no
it?
idea. It was a gray car went that way. The Nydia, the girl that checks the cars in, saw it,
Okay.
and then she said he grabbed the keys to another car.
Okay, but
So-
didn't get in the other car?
Yeah, he
Yes,
grabbed
yeah,
one
he,
from the
he
red
was at
light.
the
Yeah, and
he was
one
at the
from
gate. This is my manager.
Okay.
He was at the gate, and it was a gray car. I just don't know exactly what kind it was.
I can get you the footage from.
Can you give me the footage?
Not right now, but as soon as they.
Can you give?
Absolutely.
I would, because when I said, did you see him in the car?
I did see him in the car.
But now you're telling me you can't point out what car it is.
There's a lot of cars here.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Right, I understand.
Do you understand what I'm saying right now? So
I
now
know.
I gotta hope that. What's her face?
Yeah.
Nydia.
Nydia?
So I'm in the second car. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I can get you
149.
I'm trying to get my district manager
I
right
would-
now, and we'll absolutely get
You guys get why, right?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
So he just jumps in it and then tries driving around.
I saw him inside the car, and I told him that he could not take it.
But did you see him drive it?
Denise told me that he was driving a silver car that he was trying to get out of the gate. She asked me if he was over here. Then I saw him inside the car.
You just saw him inside it?
Yes, actually he got out of the car, walked to that one, and I was helping some customers, and I said, sir, you cannot take that car. Then he came in this one, he got his belongings in this car.
Okay.
Yeah,
'Cause I know you said he like tried renting a car through Uber. Is that a thing here? Where
We
you
do
can rent
have Uber cars, but it's not at this location. It is not Dale Mabry.
Dale Mabry.
Yes. And I arrived at 3. He was over there, and he asked me.
But you got him in this. You saw him sitting in this car. He had his belongings in this car.
Yes.
Without
they
a
have-
rental agreement.
Without a rental. Because I asked him about that. I asked him because he was
How's it
telling me
going?
that he was trying to leave. And I asked him, I said, do you have a rental agreement? Because these cars just arrived. And he tried to show me something on the phone. And
Yeah, when we dealt with him earlier, he was showing us something on his phone.
If we can get, we'll just go with burglary on this one.
Okay. Do you have can I just get your information off you?
You know what I mean, Joe?
Yeah, I guess.
We got her putting him in that car without a rental agreement,
Okay.
and she told him he had to leave it. So.
You ever been arrested before?
Yeah.
How many times? A lot?
No, twice.
Recently or no?
No, it's been like 7 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really could sue first, but 146.
You can sue whoever you want.
Sure. 146 or 156.
You can sue whoever you want.
146 or 156.
So like the little bags.
You want to take this with you? I got your
You
phone
want to
here.
bring this with you? All this?
Yes.
Okay. Just put it in here. But if he's
Bring
bringing the
the phone.
wallet, I'm dumping it all out.
What?
I mean, it's
what
not
you
but
have in there.
Bro.
pens.
Don't
Don't
bro
make-
me.
I'm
dude.
gonna bro you.
Don't bro me, because
You
there
throw
could be
one
drugs
d-
in there, and,
so-
and then that's the whole thing on me. Yeah. I don't know you. Don't bro me.
Okay, fine.
Don't play this game with me, man.
Okay, fine.
I don't know what's in your wallet.
Only
If you
thing-
introduce drugs to that jail, bro, that's a whole. So you better tell us now if you do have anything in there that you shouldn't have.
What
Because
the-
if you introduce that into the jail, it's a whole different world for you.
Now the only thing you'll find are nootropics. Nootropics are
What is
vitamin C, back
Okay.
pain medicine. I drop a little like weed, but like I said.
Is anything in there important? Because I'm not bringing it.
Yeah.
It's not important.
Bro, just
So
check
your
it.
pens are not important.
Pens are not important.
This isn't gonna go to jail, so it'll
Okay.
be with
So
the
hold
rest
it.
of your property.
So just
If
hold
you
it.
take your life, you'll take your passport and your.
The code?
I got a card. I'll give you a property card. So when you get out, you can come.
You're actually under arrest, so your rights
Yeah.
are gone.
What?
Yeah,
What?
yeah,
That's not true.
it is true.
No, it's not. Who the fuck made you a police person?
Come on.
I would revoke your license.
Huh?
I would revoke your license.
Thank you.
My brother actually works for the Tampa PD.
That's great. Right.
Payless works through
I just-
Uber. That's your
I
fault.
just-
That's your fault.
That's not a Payless. Payless is over there.
Bro, show me.
I don't have to.
You do.
No, because I just asked the owner of the car, do you have a rental agreement with them? And they said no. And you had no permission to be in the vehicle. That's burglary. And once I get you driving one of their vehicles around on camera, that's theft.
No,
Okay,
you don't know
we'll
how
see,
it
we'll
works.
see.
Shut the door.
0617.
Thank you, sir.
Shut the door. I said shut the door.
Okay.
Oh, she's gonna give it over. First, so I get air. Thank you. It's called reverse fucking psychology. Thank you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Sure.
I need air.
I'm sure you do.
Thank you.
Your incident.
Now you can fuck off. Thank you. So I could actually make money after this. I can make money. I'm so excited for the money. Wow, suing as many people as it possibly can. That's the way to go.
Under Florida Statute 810.024, burglary of an unoccupied conveyance occurs when someone enters a vehicle without authorization with intent to commit an offense. The penalty is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years imprisonment. Officers arrived with reasonable suspicion based on the employee report. Under Illinois v. Gates, probable cause requires examining the totality of circumstances, not isolated facts, but the complete picture. The subject claims authorization, but multiple Avis employees contradict this. The officer requests documentation. This is proper investigation. Verify claims before arresting, ensuring the detention doesn't become unreasonably prolonged. When asked for his badge number, the officer immediately complies. 146. Florida law requires officers to identify themselves during official interactions. This promotes accountability and is constitutionally sound practice. The pat-down for weapons stems from Terry v. Ohio. During investigative stops, officers may conduct limited searches for weapons if they have reasonable safety concerns. This protects officer safety while respecting Fourth Amendment limits. Multiple employees confirm. No reservation, no rental agreement. Subject observed in the vehicle with belongings. Under property law, the rental company controls these vehicles. Employee testimony as authorized agents carries significant weight. The officer asks, "You understand what you did?" This begins custodial interrogation. The subject responds, "I'm not going to talk to you unless I have a lawyer." This is clear invocation of Fifth Amendment rights. Miranda v. Arizona requires that once a suspect unambiguously invokes their right to counsel, all interrogation must cease immediately. The officer's response, "I don't care," signals compliance, not dismissal. Notice what follows. The officer stops asking about the incident and only asks booking questions. Miranda allows routine administrative questions during processing, name, address, prior arrests, without violating the Fifth Amendment. The subject threatens lawsuits repeatedly. Under Section 1983, civil rights claims require proving constitutional violations under color of law. However, qualified immunity protects officers acting reasonably under established law. The officer states, "You're under arrest. Your rights are gone." This is legally inaccurate. Arrestees retain constitutional protections, freedom from excessive force, right to medical care, due process rights, and protection against unreasonable searches beyond arrest procedures. The officer likely meant the subject loses the right to leave, not all constitutional protections. This distinction matters. Even in custody, fundamental rights remain enforceable through courts and civil litigation. The subject's profanity and insults, while crude, are First Amendment protected speech. Florida's disorderly conduct statute requires fighting, violent, or threatening behavior, not mere verbal rudeness toward police. Officers discuss charges. We'll go with burglary. The evidence includes eyewitness testimony, physical presence in the vehicle, belongings suggesting intent to operate it, and no documentation. This satisfies probable cause under the totality standard. During property inventory, the subject admits to marijuana possession. Officers could add possession charges, but exercise discretion, focusing on the primary burglary offense. Prosecutorial discretion is constitutionally permissible. The officer warns about introducing contraband into jail. Florida Statute 794.047 makes this a third-degree felony. This warning protects the subject from additional serious charges and demonstrates proper procedure. The subject claims his brother works for Tampa PD, possibly seeking professional courtesy. However, professional courtesy is not a legal right and cannot override probable cause for arrest established through witness testimony and evidence. The officer explains clearly. I asked the owner if you have a rental agreement. They said no. You had no permission. That's burglary. This accurately summarizes the legal situation and the basis for arrest. Officer 146 receives a B+. Strong legal compliance, proper detention, probable cause development, Miranda compliance, and badge identification. Tactical soundness was excellent. Officer safety maintained throughout. Areas for improvement. Informal language like dude and bro reduces professional image. The statement about rights being gone was inaccurate. Expressing frustration, I've had enough of you, falls below ideal standards. However, the officer handled significant provocation without physical escalation, conducted thorough investigation before arrest, and properly honored constitutional rights. The fundamentals were sound. The subject receives a D-, his only strong moment, clearly invoking right to counsel. This was legally appropriate and exactly what experts recommend when facing criminal charges. Major deficiencies. False claims about authorization, contradicted by multiple witnesses. Confrontational demeanor from first contact. Interrupting officers repeatedly, and failing to produce any supporting documentation. The subject showed poor legal knowledge. He appeared unaware that entering vehicles without permission constitutes burglary, regardless of intent to steal permanently. His lawsuit threats revealed misunderstanding of qualified immunity doctrine. Better approach. Remain calm, invoke rights early without antagonism, request supervisor if desired, comply with investigation. Antagonistic behavior, while legally protected, often influences charging decisions. Avis employees receive an A-. They identified suspicious activity, contacted authorities rather than self-help, provided consistent witness testimony, and cooperated fully. This is model civilian conduct in security situations. Key lessons from this case. First, burglary doesn't require permanent theft intent. Unauthorized entry into a vehicle with any criminal intent satisfies the statute. Many people misunderstand this distinction. Second, invoking Miranda rights is powerful, but timing matters. Invoke early, invoke clearly, then stop talking. Making statements first, then invoking, provides evidence prosecutors can use. Third, witness testimony from authorized agents, like rental company employees, carries substantial weight. Their confirmation that no authorization existed was sufficient for probable cause, even without documentation. Fourth, professional courtesy is not a legal defense. Claiming connections to law enforcement does not override probable cause. The law applies equally regardless of personal relationships. Fifth, antagonistic behavior, while constitutionally protected, has practical consequences. Officers have discretion in charging decisions. Cooperation doesn't guarantee leniency, but antagonism rarely helps. Sixth, understand your rights but also your obligations. You have the right to remain silent, to counsel, to accountability. But lawful orders must be followed, and false claims undermine credibility. Finally, qualified immunity protects officers who act reasonably under established law. Civil rights litigation requires proving constitutional violations, not mere disagreement with arrest decisions supported by probable cause. This case demonstrates solid police work with minor professionalism issues. Poor citizen decision-making, despite one correct rights assertion, and professional witness cooperation that enabled proper law enforcement response. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the channel for more police interaction content.